Samsung is kicking off something big next week, and if you've got the right Galaxy device, you might be among the first to try it. Starting August 11th, the One UI 8 beta, built on Android 16, is rolling out to select flagship models. That means cutting-edge AI features, fresh personalization tools, and smarter usability upgrades could land on your phone before most people even hear about them. Here's the deal. If you're in the US, South Korea, the UK, or India, and you own a Galaxy S24 series phone, a Galaxy Z Fold 6, or a Galaxy Z Flip 6, you can jump into the beta right away. Then, starting in September, the list expands: Galaxy S23 series, Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5, and even some mid-rangers like the Galaxy A36 5G, A55 5G, A35 5G, and A54 will get their turn. But remember, this is beta software. It's exciting, but it's also a testing ground, so expect a few bumps. The stable One UI 8 release is officially planned for September, but there's a catch. It'll debut first on the Galaxy S25 family before trickling down to eligible older models. So if you're not a beta tester, you'll have to wait a little longer. Now, what makes One UI 8 worth getting excited about? For starters, it's one of the first custom interfaces to fully adopt Android 16, and Samsung is using that foundation to push AI deeper into daily use. The new multimodal AI system isn't just about responding to commands, it understands context. It knows what you're doing in real time and can suggest actions that fit the moment. Whether you're drafting a message, planning a route, or juggling apps on a foldable screen, it's designed to make the experience feel more seamless and intuitive. To new features, the Now Bar and Now Brief put this intelligence front and center. The Now Bar is a persistent, context-aware control strip that can surface shortcuts or info based on your current activity, while Now Brief acts like a dynamic assistant, offering quick updates and suggestions without interrupting your flow. Privacy also gets a serious upgrade. Samsung Knox Vault continues to lock down sensitive data, and with One UI 8, you can choose to process certain information directly on your device instead of in the cloud, a big win for those who value control over their data. Beyond AI and security, there's a lot of practical polish here. Orcos support lets you share audio wirelessly via QR code, which is perfect for syncing Galaxy Buds or even compatible hearing aids without the usual pairing hassle. Device servicing is faster, thanks to QR and NFC-enabled check-ins at Samsung service centers. And for productivity, the Reminder app has better voice support and easier list sharing, while Quick Share is now accessible right from the Quick Settings panel for faster file transfers. It's worth noting that Samsung seems determined to avoid the rollout issues that plagued One UI 7. Back then, delays meant the beta didn't start until months after Android 15's launch, and many devices didn't see the stable version until well into the next year. This time, they're moving faster, but still in a staggered way to make sure things run smoothly. There's also something for smartwatch users. One UI 8 Watch, the new OS for Samsung wearables, will bring fresh health features to eligible models beyond the Galaxy Watch 8 series. That means better integration with your phone and, presumably, smarter wellness tracking. Here's my take. If you're a tech-savvy user with a compatible device and you're in one of the rollout countries, jumping into the beta could be worth it. You'll get to try features months before the general public, and you'll have a direct hand in shaping the final version by submitting feedback. But if you rely on your phone for mission-critical tasks, you might want to wait for the stable release in September, especially since betas can bring unexpected bugs. In any case, One UI 8 feels like more than just another yearly update. With Android 16 as its base, Samsung is clearly betting on AI-driven personalization as the next big differentiator, not just on its newest foldables, but across its flagship and mid-range lineup. If it delivers on the promise of context-aware intelligence and smoother usability, it could set a new standard for how Android skins integrate AI into everyday phone use. So, whether you're testing it early or waiting for the official rollout, it's clear that One UI 8 isn't just about keeping up with Android. It's about pushing Samsung's ecosystem into a smarter, more connected future. And with the beta starting in just days, we're about to see how well that vision plays out in real life. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. See you in the next video. Take care.